Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the basic fins in Subnautica 2. So this is going to be useful for improving your speed underwater, and to get the basic fins you'll need some rubber and fiber. Rubber can be found in the resources tab inside of the fabricator, and here you can see you'll need lucifer rod sacks, 2 of them for 1 rubber and 2 rubber for 1 for the simple fins. And to get the lucifer rod sack, you'll just want to go to the beginning shallow biome, and here you should find these kind of star-shaped plants which have an orange orb in the center. This is the lucifer rod sack, which you can collect just by left clicking on it. Also, you can collect some fibrous pulp from these plants with the survival multi-tool, which is going to be also needed for the basic fins. Also, you can get the fibrous pulp from other sources. For example, you can go inside of a cave, and here you should find a kind of feather kelp, just like this, and you can also get some fibrous pulp from it. And there's another option, which are these kind of tentacles with Gorgon, which you can also get the fibrous pulp. Also, there are many other plants which you can get the fibrous pulp, but I'm not going to go through all of them. Now, once you've gathered those lucifer rod sacks, you can craft rubber, and from the fibrous pulp you can craft fiber, which is needed for the basic fins. So now you can go ahead and craft the basic fins, and once you've crafted them, they are going to be automatically placed onto your slot, so you don't need to place them there. So this is pretty much all how to get the basic fins in Subnautica 2. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.